Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now it's day 3. अगर आपने day 1 और day 2 का नहीं देखा है वीडियो, आप जरूर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देखो. As you know, हम मॉस्के में one night रहे थे और अब हम आगे निकलेंगे. मॉस्के से हम बोडो जाएंगे ड्राइव करके. बोडो से हम फेरी लेंगे और मॉस्केनेस तक पहुंचेंगे. You will get the all ferry details in the description box. इसके बाद हम जाएंगे रैमबर्ग बीच, लोफोटन. हम इसके बाद जाएंगे लोफोटन घर पे. We'll stay there for 3 days. Let's begin the journey. And here are we in the shipwreck. Now we'll go into the ship and then wait here for 4 hours. You can see so many cars in the ferry. We'll park our car here and then go to the deck. Look at the view, so amazing. Now we reached to Lofoten. Now we are going out of the ship. यहाँ से हमारी स्टार्ट होती है हमारी लोफोटन जर्नी. Are you ready to see the most beautiful views? Here we go. Enjoy. This is Ramberg Beach. are some drone shots. This is our name from our family. Now we are home and you can see the upwards home. This is the view from outside and now we'll show you from inside. Now this is the stairs and look at the view from here. And now we're going in. This is the bedroom. This is the view from inside windows. Now I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom looks like this. And now I'll show you the kitchen and some stuff. And you can see from the inside window. And now this is the hall. This is the dining table and this whole thing is the hall. And now I'll show you the other bedroom and here from the window. So this is some drone shots from nearby the house. You can see our Tesla behind that tree and now you can see the whole view from our house. Now you can see it's nearby a beach. And look at the amazing drone shot. see a magic. Right now it's 2 o'clock and this is the midnight sun. Because we are above the Arctic Circle. And now I want to say you something. When you come in June or July, you can see the midnight sun. You go above the Arctic Circle, there is no sunset in the summer. It will be 6-month day, it will be 6-month night. Thanks for watching.